Most scientists believe that prehistoric humans have been to virtually every habitable landmass on Earth. For over a century, scientists have attempted to solve the mystery of when humans first arrived in the New World. Off the coast of California, on the Channel Islands, near a place called Arlington Springs, are sections of two human leg bones. Scientists call him Arlington Man and date the bones to about 7,000 BC. But 40 years after its discovery, Dr. John Johnson, curator of anthropology at the Santa Barbara Museum of Natural History, has the bones reanalyzed and discovers that they actually date back to about 10,000 BC.
This is the oldest dated human remains in North America.
Scientists believe Arlington Man is a 5'2" Paleo-Indian, one of a group of people who are believed to be the first humans to inhabit North America.
When we think about the history of the Americas, many people think about Pilgrims and Columbus maybe even, and Jamestown. But we have to recognize that there is actually a period in history when people ventured into this land and absolutely no one else lived here.
These folks were probably fairly intrepid explorers, but explorers in an environment that was probably fairly challenging. They're coming into a new landscape with which they are not familiar. They have to find food, they have to find water, they have to find materials to make their shelter and their tools. So there were new challenges, there were new adaptive challenges.
These hunters are not primitive cave people. Strategy, cunning, and guile are all part of their arsenal.
The first Americans, modern Homo sapiens, just like ourselves, came here and were fully equipped to adapt to this landscape. Challenging as it was, they were still able, because they carried the same kind of hardware we have in terms of brain capacity and the like.
For many people, when they think about these very first colonists, they picture something like caveman or these brutes, you know, with very minimal technology living this very meager existence. We know that certainly wasn't the case. They were fully modern humans. They had the same cognitive and intellectual abilities as all of us today.
Whether it was the vast new landscape, carnivorous predators, or abrupt global climate change, these first Americans fought to ensure their own survival and the survival of the human race.